Hey guys, Johan here, and today I'll be showing you how to make the Lego Ninjago fidget spinner like this one. Wait, be right. Like this one. I bet you can see it better. Toe fell off. But to show you how to build it, I'm going to take it apart. Jeez. Come back here. Ah! Oh. So I'm in trouble. So you need a circular piece, one of these Technic pieces, two of these flat pieces, two of these Technic pieces. But if you can't find two of these and you have one of these, you should have two halves of them and put them together to really fit, and they're the same size. Almost 1 centimeter or half centimeter. And you can do any Ninjago figure you want, like Hands of Time J from Dawn of the Iron Doom, Titanium Prison Kai, or any Kai. I forgot to say any J here. The Naruto's Ship Zane, or any Zane. The Lego Dimensions Toll, or any Toll. Well, actually replace the mask with the like silver part. So it to be more cool, you know. Like a lot of stuff. So I figure like let's get on with it, which I'm gonna do right now. So first we need the circular piece, then put this Technic piece on. Then you put the pieces in. There we go. And there we go. Oh, it's gonna take a while, guys. Here. Then this. There. You should give it a little bit of space, or it won't move. Next, you put these parts into there, into the Technic pieces. Then you can choose any Ninjago minifigure you're gonna go with. I'm gonna go with Jay, Nia as the water ninja, Lloyd from the Dawn of Iron Doom, aka Season 7. Really, what does AKA mean? And there. So there you have it, folks. It's the Lego Ninjago spinner. It's like so. Wait, I'll get some more light. Just look at this. You might not see it well perfectly, but to me, it's beautiful. Oh. So hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time. Bye.